Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 508. In this video I'll show you how to enter drive info. In the beginning, let's take a look in the middle of the car and press drive button on the radio panel. Now we are in drive info charts, so we can check current figures like kilometers left to refuel and our current fuel consumption. Then we can check trip info, trip to info, hybrid auto, and 100% hybrid use. So basically we've got many charts and informations about our driving and car. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.